Hello and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. In this lesson we will be having some of the options of the VI editor. I will open a file first. Okay, now let's see our first option here. If you press on the letter C 2 times, it will remove the line and get you in the insert mode. I will press on C 2 times now. As you see, it have removed the whole line and I am in the insert mode. I can type whatever I want and press escape to get out. There's another option by the letter R and it replaces the character with another letter or whatever letter you want. Say for example I want to change this letter over here, which is G, to the letter K. I will press on R and then to get in the replace mode and then press on K. It have changed the character. We will try here. I will change this T to P, for example. I will press on R and then press P. It have changed it. You can try the same option but with multiple characters. Replace multiple characters and it will be by Shift R, R capital. Here, if you press on R capital, it will get you in the replace mode, and by that you can replace multiple characters as you see over here. And of course you press on escape to get out. You can try this replace mode, or it's like the replace mode but it gets you in the insert mode. If you press on S, now it removed a character and I am in the insert mode. I can type whatever I like and press escape. And you can do the same thing but it will not remove a character, it will remove a whole line. If you press on Shift S, this will remove the whole line and it will get you insert mode and you can type whatever you like, and after you finish you press on escape to get out of the insert mode. Now there are some other options with the VI that we can have here, like the copy and paste commands. To copy a line, you will go for it or on it and you will press on the Y letter 2 times. Here I have pressed it 2 times. By that I have copied this line, and let's paste it. I will try to paste it over here. If I press on Shift P, but first I will get in the insert mode to get the cursor after here. Now I will try to paste it with Shift P. As you see, the Shift P have pasted the line that I have just copied before the line that I had the cursor on. Now I will have the cursor on the same line, but I will paste it with only P, not Shift P. I'll press P. As you see, it pasted it after the line that I had the cursor on. Now let's see some of the other options. I will press G to get to the top. For example, I would like to make a search on the word, let's for example on the word fox. I will press on slash and I will type fox and press enter. It took me to the word fox, and each time I press slash, but I will type it with the capital F so that it will get the other one. Okay, let's have another example. I will get back to the top and slash FOX. which will be this one over here, and press enter. As you see, it showed me the first name, Fox, and each time I press on the slash, sorry, I'll remove the slash, enter. Every time you press enter before you change the name, it will search for each word that has, sorry, and this means that every time you will search for the same word Fox, as long as you haven't changed the name that you are searching for, all you have to do is press on slash, enter, slash, enter, slash, enter, and it will take you to all of the words that contains, all of the lines that contains the word Fox. If you press slash enter one more time, as you see, it will search downwards. As you can see, there is another way to search upwards if you want. I will search for the same word but with a different command. We have searched downwards by the command slash. There is another command which will be a question mark, and then I will type the name Fox and press enter. And if you press again on the question mark and then enter, and then the question mark and then enter, it will take you by the name upwards until it reaches the end. Now to the last option we will have in our lesson. There is an option where you can replace a word in a line. Now I want to replace this word rabbit to fox, for example. I will type the command two dots and then s slash and then the name or the word that I will change. Here it will be rabbit and then Fox. But notice that before you type the command you must have the cursor on the line that you want to change the word in, and then slash G and press enter. As you see, it replaced for me the word from rabbit to fox. And by that we have talked about the options of the VI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.